Guys, I got some news for you guys for my live streams. Well, everyone else uses them. It's Nightbot and Streamlabs. Here's the thing: I have a Nightbot, but I haven't seen it on my thing. So I'm trying to figure out how to get my Nightbot to actually be shown on my live stream whenever they're supposed to talk and say things. Same with my Streamlabs. I'm going to try to get both of them to work so I can actually be a real streamer kind of thing, and be considered a real streamer if you think about it, because most people use Streamlabs and Nightbot for, well, and any other Nightbots. They use other bots too, just for their YouTube channel, for the YouTube live stream and for the Twitch stream. Basically, I'm trying to gain real subscribers, gain real viewers, gain the real stuff, the real deal, not some other stuff. I'm not going to say it, but anyway, I want to gain the real subs and the real viewers so I can actually get noticed off YouTube, and so my YouTube channel can be recommended and everyone's freaking recommended. That means any YouTuber, like any YouTuber that actually has a YouTube channel and anybody who actually watches YouTube, I want to be recommended in their YouTube category section. So I'm going to try to keep doing this until I can find a way to get recommended till everyone can see it. My YouTube channel. I want everyone to see it. And I said Streamlabs. I'm basically going to finally use Streamlabs and Nightbot. To be honest, I have Nightbot already, but I never saw the Nightbot in my stream yet. I mean, I can hear it. It says, don't spam, don't do this and that. Warning, don't spam. Warning, don't spam. But I don't see it in my section, like, where it's commenting, you know? It's really weird. I think I might be broken. Nightbot might be broken, or I gotta fix Nightbot. And I got to fix Streamlabs too. I gotta figure out how to do this. So anybody who has Streamlabs and Nightbot in the stream, can you tell me in the comment section how to use Streamlabs and Nightbot, because I need to know how to do it. I need to know how to use it for my streams so I can actually put it in my streams when I'm streaming. And also guys, love you all. See you in my next videos because I got more to make today anyway, so love you all.